Alright, so circuit prayers back at again. Today we were moving the shock absorbers from the rear for two-wheel drive Ford Ranger 2003. Alright, let's go and get started. Parts finally came in, so let's go ahead and replace it. Alright, let's go and remove this. You might have to hold a wrench on the other side, size 16. But the bolt for this one is a 15 millimeter. It's gonna break it loose. You see it spinning, so you do need a wrench to hold it. Now it just spin. Let's go and grab a wrench. I did say it's size 16, it's actually size 18. Right, let's go remove that. Alright, let's go and loosen the top one as well. Since for that one's gonna be a 15. Just gonna remove the top one right there. That one. Size 15. Just gonna break it loose first. After that, just remove it. All right, let's go and break that loose. The size for that one is the 18 millimeter. All right, so once you break it loose, let's go to remove it. Just gonna use my wrench to remove it. Before we remove it, let's go ahead and finish removing the bottom one. Alright, it's the same thing. You grab a wrench and ratchet on one side so it won't spin. Just gonna remove it by hand. All right, just gonna get that bolt out. Just wiggle it. Just come right off. Look at that. Remove the top one. All right, so there you have it. Gonna get the new parts back in. So the new parts, just go to slide it in. Same thing. Let's go and wiggle it. Just go back in. Do that. Just grab our nut. Put it back in there. All right, let's go and tighten that one. All right, let's go and tighten it. All right, just gonna rip the cable so you can slide it back in there. Alright, so for this part you might struggle a little bit. Just go down and align it. After that, just go down and put your nut and bolt back in. 18 millimeter nut, 15 millimeter bolt. Just go and tighten that. Alright, so there you have it. Let's go and get the other side. So I did cut the wire off in order to get it in here. I'm just going to cut the top one off. Alright, let's get to the other side now. Alright, I'm just going to break the top one loose first. Same thing, it's a size 18 millimeter. I'll break that loose. once you break the loose, get the bottom ones. That's gonna pull it out. Should come right off. Slide it off. Go ahead and punch it to the side. The top one, slide it off. Just like you did to the other side. Go ahead and wiggle it. Punch it out. It's ready for the new one. Just gonna reinstall the new one. Same thing, slide it in there. Let's go and wiggle it. Let's go and align it. I'm just gonna get the top bolt first. Just gonna tighten it. Alright, just gonna tighten that 18mm. Alright, just gonna cut this off. Slide it in there. Just gotta align it. Once you align it, you should slide in. I'm just gonna tighten the 18mm. See it? As you can see, it's pretty bad condition. So yeah, we just got this car from the auction. Both sides are like that. Alright, no problem. We're ready to replace them. Alright, so that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. So as the parts are coming in, we'll be replacing each one. I'm just going to check it out. Alright, so it's much better now compared to how it used to be.